Cryptocurrencies are a phenomenon that has transformed the financial world in recent years. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, which are backed and controlled by governments through central banks, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, digital currencies that operate on a global network of computers. This means they don't rely on any financial institution to validate transactions, making them completely different and more autonomous. The term cryptocurrency comes from the combination of two words, crypto, which refers to cryptography, and currency, meaning that they are a form of money. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units, which makes them a secure and reliable system for making online exchanges. One of the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, created in 2009 by a person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since its creation, the cryptocurrency market has grown enormously, and today there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and applications. However, Bitcoin remains the most recognized and valuable cryptocurrency. 1. Of the main advantages of cryptocurrencies is that they operate on a decentralized network, meaning there is no central bank or single entity that controls the currency. Instead, transactions are verified and recorded on a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a digital ledger shared among all participants of the network, which keeps track of all transactions made with the cryptocurrency. This system ensures that transactions are transparent and secure, as they cannot be altered once they are recorded. Every time someone makes a cryptocurrency transaction, whether sending or receiving funds, that information is encrypted and distributed across the network of computers, making it nearly impossible to tamper with the transactions. This guarantees that cryptocurrencies are highly secure against fraud and manipulation. Another important feature of cryptocurrencies is privacy. Unlike traditional currencies, which require personal information to make transactions, cryptocurrencies allow payments to be made anonymously. Users can send and receive money without revealing their identity, which enhances privacy in financial transactions. While cryptocurrencies offer advantages such as decentralization, security, and privacy, they also present some risks. Their value is extremely volatile, meaning their price can rise or fall drastically in a short period of time. This has made many people view them as a risky investment, although for others it's an opportunity for financial diversification. In summary, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that operate on a decentralized network, using blockchain technology to secure transactions and offer privacy. While their value can be unpredictable, their potential to change the way we handle money is enormous. As more people and businesses begin to adopt cryptocurrencies, they are expected to play a significant role in the future of global finance.